Hello students, today we will do a construction in which we have to draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Then take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So first of all we will draw a circle of radius 3 cm. This is a circle of radius 3 cm. Then we will draw its diameter and extend it both sides. Like this we will extend. So this is the center. Now we will have to take 2 points P and Q on this extended diameter in such a way that the distance of that point from the center is 7 cm. So you open your compass 7 cm and put it here on the center and cut from it. If required we can increase that extended diameter, and here also you cut. Here it is shorter, so you can increase a little bit like this. Now this is point P and this is point Q, this one, and this is point P. Now we'll have to draw from these 2 points tangents on this circle. So first of all we will draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Put the spike of the compass on O, open more than half of OP and draw 2 arcs up and down, and by same measurement from P up and down. Same procedure from O and Q also. Taking more than half of OQ, 1 arc up, 1 arc down. Same from here also, up and down. Now we will join them. This is the perpendicular bisector of OP. Similarly, the perpendicular bisector of OQ will draw. And let us give them name M and this N. Now take M as a center, open your compass up to P and draw one more circle. And from N also draw one more circle like this. Now you can see these are cutting the original circle on these points. Suppose this is A and A dash, A dash, and that is B, and this is B dash. Now we'll have to join P with A and A dash. Here like this we'll have to join, and that side also you'll have to join this Q with B and B dash. Let us join. So students, this is the given construction. Look how nice it is looking. So you can do practice, you can draw better than me, I hope. Thank you students.